Good evening guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come with part 4th of World Map series. As you know, we have already done 3 parts on North American continent physical features, and this would be the last part. Finally, North American continent is going to over in this video, and then we will revise some of the things which we have done in the previous video. So let's start. So guys, firstly I will draw this map, rough map, and then I will show you all the features which I will draw in the original map. As you know that we have read about the Hudson Bay which lies in Canada. So this one is Hudson Bay, and to the south of this Hudson Bay here lies James Bay, a small bay. This is known as James Bay. And to the north of these features we read about these Baffin Islands which are a part of Canada, and here lies this Greenland which is a territory of Denmark but lies in North American continent. And to the between of this we read that here lies Baffin Bay. After that we read that here lies Labrador Sea which is a part of Atlantic Ocean, and here lies Davis Strait which is connecting Baffin Bay and Labrador Sea. And we also read about this is Hudson Strait which is also connecting the two water bodies, that is Hudson Bay and Labrador Sea. Now guys, as you can see it over here that this is Hudson Bay, and to the southeast of this Hudson Bay here lies Laurentian Plateau. This Laurentian Plateau is a part of Canada only, and if you remember I told you there lies 5 Great Lakes of North America, that is Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. And from this Lake Ontario, which is the smallest lake among the 5, from here originates a river, that is St. Lawrence River, which drains into Gulf of St. Lawrence, which is a part of North Atlantic Ocean. So this Laurentian Plateau lies to the northwest of this St. Lawrence River. So let me show you these features in the original map to make your concept more clear. So guys, as you can see this map, this is Hudson Bay, and you can see this small bay, this is James Bay. To the southeast of Hudson Bay here over lies Laurentian Plateau. This lies in Canada, and you can see it over here that these are the Great Lakes of North America which lies on the border of USA and Canada, and from here originating a river, that is St. Lawrence River, which is draining into this Gulf of St. Lawrence, which is a part of Atlantic Ocean. And here you can see these are Baffin Islands, this is Labrador Sea, and this is Baffin Bay, and this Davis Strait is connecting two water bodies, that is Baffin Bay and Labrador Sea. And this is Hudson Strait which is connecting Hudson Bay and Labrador Sea. So guys, as you can see this is the map of North American continent, and you can see it over here that this is Canada, which is shown by this dark blue color, and this is Laurentian Plateau. It lies in Canada. And you can see it over here, these are the Great 5 Lakes of North America which lies on the border of USA and Canada, but Lake Michigan is exceptional in this. This Lake Michigan lies entirely in USA. So guys, one more feature, that are the mountains I want to tell you about this North American continent. As you can see it over here, I told you that this is Hudson Bay and this is Laurentian Plateau, and over here lies 5 Great Lakes of North America, and to the east of these features lie Appalachian Mountains over here. So these Appalachian Mountains are a part of 2 countries, that is USA and Canada. And these Appalachian Mountains include 3 ranges, that is Blue Ridge Mountains, Allegheny Mountains and Notre Dame Mountains. I'm just showing you. As you can see it over here, to the west of these Appalachian Mountains here lies Allegheny Mountains, and to the east of these Appalachian Mountains here lies Blue Ridge Mountains, and to the north of these mountains here lies Notre Dame. So these are the 3 mountain ranges which are a part of Appalachian Mountains, and these Appalachian Mountains lies in 2 countries, that is USA and Canada. And guys, one most important thing is, as you know that these are the Great 5 Lakes of North America, Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. So this one is Ontario, and from here originates 2 rivers. I told you in my previous videos also, and if you have not seen my previous videos, you can check my playlist, or I will provide you the link in the description box. So guys, I told you that from this Lake Ontario here originates 2 rivers, that is this is St. Lawrence which drains into Gulf of St. Lawrence, and which is a part of North Atlantic Ocean, and this is the river which is originating from the south of the St. Lawrence, and from the Lake Ontario is Hudson River which is cutting these Appalachian Mountains. So keep this in your mind that Hudson River cuts through Appalachian Mountains, but the St. Lawrence River do not cut through Appalachian Mountains. So guys, you can see in this map As you can see it over here that this is Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, Ontario, Great 5 Lakes of North America. And here lies Appalachian Mountains. These are Appalachian Mountains. To the west of this lies Allegheny Mountains, and to the east of this lies Blue Ridge Mountains. And you can see to the north of these lies North Dame Mountains. So these three ranges, North Dame Mountains, Blue Ridge Mountains, and these Allegheny Mountains, are a part of these Appalachian Mountains. Okay, these are Appalachian Mountains. As you can see it over here, that this is Lake Ontario, and from here is originating this St. Lawrence River, which is draining into St. Lawrence Gulf. This is Gulf of St. Lawrence, and this is not cutting through Appalachian Mountains. But you can see it over here that this is Hudson River. Let me rub it first. As you can see it over here that this is River Hudson, which is going into this Atlantic Ocean, and this is cutting through these Appalachian Mountains. So keep it in your mind, these important things. So guys, this we have done the North American continent as a whole in part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will just revise the things we have already done. So guys, we will just make a quick revision what we have already read in this North American continent, so that you may get the overview of all the videos we have already done. And if you have not watched my previous videos, you can just go and just watch them in detail about North American continent, and I will also provide you the link in the description box. So here you can see this is the North American continent, I told you, which is surrounded by three oceans, that is Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean on the west coast, and to the east coast it lies Atlantic Ocean. Then I told you that this is Gulf of Mexico, and this is Florida Peninsula, and this is Strait of Florida, which is connecting two water bodies, that is Gulf of Mexico, and here lies Sargasso Sea. I also told you that this Tropic of Cancer is passing through Gulf of Mexico and these Bahamian Islands. These are the small islands which are known as Bahamas Islands, and here lies Sargasso Sea. From Sargasso Sea, a small part of Sargasso Sea lies over here in the Tropic of Cancer. Then we read about these Cuban Islands. It is a independent island nation. This is Haiti and this is Dominican Republic Island. And this small island is Puerto Rico, which is a part of USA. And after that we read about this is Jamaica. This is also island. If you know about the name of Usain Bolt, he is from here. And then we read about these are the Cayman Islands, which is a territory of UK, United Kingdom. After that we read about this Hudson Bay, this is Hudson Strait, which is connecting two water bodies, that is Hudson Bay and Labrador Sea. And here lies Davis Strait, which is also connecting two water bodies, that is Baffin Bay and Labrador Sea. And one most important thing I want to tell you, that this one island is Baffin Island. In my previous video I just mistakenly said that these are the Baffin Islands. No, these are Queen Elizabeth Islands. So just keep this in your mind that this one is Baffin Island. And you can see between Baffin Island and this Greenland, here lies Baffin Bay. So as I told you that this Greenland is a territory of Denmark, but it lies in North American continent. And I also told you one more important thing, that between this Greenland and Iceland, here over lies Iceland, here is Denmark Strait, which is connecting two water bodies, that is Labrador Sea and Arctic Ocean, and separating two islands, that are Greenland and Iceland. After that we read about the great 5 lakes of North America. This is Lake Superior, this is Lake Michigan, Huron, Erie, and this is Ontario. Lake Superior is the largest one among 5, and this one, Lake Ontario, is the smallest one. And this Lake Michigan, this is the Lake Michigan which lies entirely in USA, United States of America. But all the 4 lakes lies on the border of USA and Canada. Then we read about the lakes of Canada. This is Great Bear Lake, this is Slave Lake, this is Athabasca, this is Rindy, and this is Lake Winnipeg. And if you remember, we read here that these are the Rocky Mountains which lies in North American continent, and from here originates a river which drains into this Winnipeg Lake, and this is Saskatchewan River which drains into this Winnipeg Lake. This Saskatchewan River is the east flowing river which drains into a lake, that is Lake Winnipeg. After this we read about this Bering Strait, which is separating this Asia and this North American continent. So this North American continent, here lies USA, this is a part of USA, that is Alaska. And so it is separating, Bering Strait is separating Russia and Alaska. As you can see it over here that this is the part of United States of America, and this one is also the part of United States of America, and this is known as Alaska. So Bering Strait is dividing Alaska and Russia. And also we read that Bering Strait is joining two water bodies, that is Bering Sea, and over here lies Chukchi Sea, which is a part of Arctic Ocean. As you can see that this is Canada, and in the north of this Canada here lies Beaufort Sea. So Beaufort Sea and the Chukchi Sea are a part of Arctic Ocean. And then we read about this. This is the Gulf of California, which is surrounded by Mexico on all the sides. And this part, which I am coloring with orange color, is Lower California. And I also told you about the Alaska Mountains, which lies over here. These are the Alaskan Mountains. And to the west of these Rocky Mountains here lies Pacific Coast Range. This is Cascade Range. And this one to the south of these ranges here lies Sierra Nevada Range. And I also told you that over here lies Mount McKinley, which is the highest peak of North American continent and lies in Alaskan Mountains, which is a part of United States of America. And I also told you about the second highest mountain range that lies over here. This is Mount Logan, which is the second highest mountain range of North America, and it lies in Pacific Coast Ranges. After that, we read that these four Rocky Mountains and these Pacific Coast Ranges, Cascade Ranges and Sierra Nevada are a part of Western Cordillera. So collectively these four ranges are known as Western Cordillera. And we also read about the two mountain ranges which lies in USA over here. This one is Sierra Madre Oriental and this one is Sierra Madre Occidental. So guys, these are all the features of North American continent. These features we have already done in detail in all the four parts of North American continent. This is just a short revision we have done about this continent. So guys, in the next video we are going to start the Central American countries and then we will proceed towards South American continent. So guys, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye to all of you. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and comment on this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.